Welcome to day 5 of Python Fundamentals. Today we'll explore how Python makes decisions using if, elif, and else statements. Let's start with the basic if statement. It allows your program to execute code only when a condition is true. Here we check if age is 18 or more. If true, it prints a message. If the condition is false, like when age is 16, nothing happens. The else statement provides an alternative when the if condition is false. Now we have two possible outcomes. Let's see both cases. For multiple conditions, we use elif, which stands for else if. This great calculator checks multiple conditions in order. When one matches, for the score 95, the grade is A. For score 85, the grade is B. For score 75, the grade is C. For score 65, the grade is D. You can put if statements inside other if statements for complex conditions. Here we first check if someone is old enough, then check their citizenship. Age 25, citizen true, you can vote. Age 25, citizen false, citizenship required. Age 16, citizen true, too young to vote. Let's summarize. Use if for single conditions. If else for two alternatives. If elif else for multiple conditions. And nested ifs for complex logic. Now you can make your Python programs make decisions.